Alright, this is the lightning outside of my room right now. It's pretty crazy. Look at this, it's like, I don't know, some horror movie or something. It's awesome. All over the place. These electrons are going crazy. The rain's coming. Wow. This is crazy. I guess this is what you'd call an electrical storm. But it's weird, there's hardly any thunder. I mean, there's some, but not much. Crazy. The other weird thing is that you can't actually see the bolt. It's just like the whole sky is flickering. It's a little trippy. It's kind of like some sort of weird dance party or something, but it's cool. I wouldn't want to be outside right now. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty awesome. That is some friggin' intense lightning. Holy cow. And the rain's getting harder. Oh yes it is. Now we're getting some real thunder. The wind's picking up too. Let's take a look at some of those trees over there, see? So yeah, this is crazy electrical storm in Cottage Grove, Minnesota on July 30th, 2011. I have a feeling this is going to be a storm we're not going to forget very soon. We're under severe thunderstorm warning, so it's going to be a heck of a fun night. I hope nobody who's watching this has epilepsy, because that would be really bad. Like, or even just standing here, if you had epilepsy, you would be shaking on the floor right now, and that's bad. That's not funny. I shouldn't be laughing. Look at this. It's like, suddenly it's day and night, day and night. It's like a little kid playing with a light switch. Pretty intense. Wow. Whoa. Now the rain's coming down. The lightning's getting a lot brighter. Ooh boy. Now I heard the forecast is half an inch of rain, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a bit more than that. Just from the looks of it. I can't tell if that rattling on the window is the wind or if it's the thunder. Either way, it's pretty loud. Yikes. This is crazy, I tell ya. Oh, that and the Owl City concert is tonight here in the Twin Cities, so they probably aren't even noticing this whatsoever. Of course, that would suck for an outdoor concert. Oh boy, the rain's really coming down. As long as I don't have any hail, I'm fine. Oh, wow, I spoke too soon. Was that hail I heard? I think it is. And we should probably move the car in the garage if that's hail. Of course, I don't think my dad would want to go out in weather like this, you know? Staying exactly smart. Whoa, that was really bright. Whoa! Yeah, I've only seen one person drive past on the road over there, which is probably a good thing. This is not good weather to be driving in. Oh. Flash, flash, flash. Like I said, it's like some sort of dance party out here. On, flicker off, on, flicker off, on, flicker off, on, flicker off. It's unreal. This is crazy intense lightning. More rain. You know what? Let's go over this way. Let's go over here. Look out a different window. Oh, there we go. All right. What do we got here? Lots of lightning still. Big surprise there. Like I said, it's like a dance party out there. This is pretty intense. Alright, now I better save some battery and space on my memory card. If it gets interesting later, I'll take some more video.